Joyce. I just want to show you how to easily do an addition to the calendar. So what you want to do is go to the front of your website and then go to your login. Let's see. I'm sorry. Go to the top, and after your domain name, type in administrator. Spelling it right. And then type in your username and password. Okay, and what you want to do is the calendar is what's called a component. So you go up here to the drop down components and go to JCal Pro and go ahead and click on that. This is the JCal Pro, or your calendar control panel. So then what I want you to do is I want you to go to Events Manager. This is where you add a new class. So what we want to do is we want to go up here to this green button and click Add. Give it a title. Like I'm going to do one here real quick. It's called Test. Calendar. There's only one calendar. It's yours, the default. Pick the category. If you notice that a particular category isn't there, you want to create a new one, you can do that by going to Manage Categories. Okay, but I think you've got everything in here that you need. Give the event a description, so it's information that people will see once they click on it. Do a start time, do the date, and then decide on the time on whether AM or PM. Do the time there. You can do, how long it will last, whether it's all day or how many hours. And typically you're not repeating the event, so you really don't have to do anything down here. If it was something that, let's say you're going to do it on a monthly basis, you could do that. You could click there, and then you could fill in this information here in accordance to the repeating monthly or weekly or daily or yearly. But typically I think yours don't repeat, so you don't need to fill that in. Then all you have to do is hit save, and it will save into the system. Now you can publish it or not publish it. It's going to default publish it. But let's say you wanted to add it in there and you didn't quite have all of the description that you wanted for it. You can choose not to publish it, and it will at least save it into the system, and you can come back to it and publish it at that point. So I'm going to hit cancel. You would typically hit save to save it to the system, but I'm going to hit cancel since it was a test. So it's really very easy. Let me show you about going into the categories. See, I added categories for you here. You can add another one just simply clicking on the new, and it will allow you to give it a name and description, and you can pick a color. You just click on that little thing. Actually, that's not working quite right. But you can give it a color, and then you hit save. But I'm going to hit cancel. So it's really very easy, and you should notice that once you publish an event, it will show up on the calendar. If you have any problems at all, just give me a call or send me an email. Thanks, Joyce.